Lightweight and very easy to operate. It's so quiet. Looks requires to no maintenance. Generally cuts quite well. It's perfect for users who might not have much experience mowing their yards and might have been reluctant to do so with a heavy gas-operated mower. I strongly recommend this product. No oil. No gas. Just plug it in. Very productivity. Works well, lightweight and easy to maneuver. Packaging was terrible, missing a few parts. But, for the price I guess they couldn't afford a decent box. Click link in description for more reviews.